Hello, Empowered Aging community. My guess is you have come over to this video today because you received the announcement that I have been selected as a 21-22 Health and Aging Policy Fellow, and you want to learn a little bit more about that and what that means for empowered aging and the community we serve. And for that, I say thank you so much. It continually inspires me and prods us to do more amazing things in our community when you, our viewers, connect with us and want to learn more about what we're doing and how you can support that. I am honored to have been selected as a 21-22 Health and Aging Policy Fellow. Now, this is a program that is been going on for many years, is through Columbia University, and aims to connect folks like myself, who are a practitioner working with older adults in the community, with opportunities to advance policy changes that would better serve and support the health and wellness of older adults. Now, that is a tall order, and I am but one of many fellows who have been selected for this year's cohort and many of those who came before me. I think over the last year, you have probably seen through COVID what many of us who have been working in the industry for years have known, and that is that the system that supports older adults and their health and their families is a tattered one. And there are many things that we can do and systems we can put in place and policies we can enact that would mitigate and end so much of the suffering that we see. Now, COVID was disastrous for older adults, but what it did do is shine a light on the work that we are trying to do here to advance elder justice, to end elder abuse, and ensure dignity and respect for all seniors. And this opportunity, this fellowship, allows me and our organization to do just that, to move what I am calling upriver or upstream, to move away from the day-to-day to focus on some of the systemic issues and the policy issues that cause many of the problems that we see on a daily basis with our clients in person, in their homes, in facilities, and the anguish that comes through our phones when so many families are at their wits' end. And so the board of directors and I have been talking for many years, and they have charged the team and I to go and address the issues that we see in the community every day. But they've also asked us to look at ways that we can address system change. Who can we partner with? What programs can we create? Who can we support that is creating real change for seniors that will help us move into the next generation of older adults to better serve them? And this fellowship does just that. I began talking to the board of directors about this possibility early on in 2021, and they were very excited about it. And of course, like me, they were also unsure of how this would work. And so I'm sure you have some questions like, Nicole, does this change the services that we'll receive here in Contra Costa, Solano, and Alameda counties? And to that, I say no. We have a tremendous team that works on the ground every day with older adults that are well equipped to deliver the services and respond quickly and rapidly to any issue. And that is how it's been going for many years. And this is simply a continuation of that. We're also adding to our team here with the director of programs that's going to help streamline our programs and always be on the lookout for what we can do to improve our service delivery and ensure that we bring as effective as possible. We also have 3 amazing team members who are going to be stepping into the role of local program coordinators for our long-term care ombudsman programs. They've been training for more than 2 years for this role, and it has long been in the works, and this is simply them stepping up to a role that they are well equipped to take on. What this will mean for our organization is I will be splitting my time between Washington, D.C. and here in the Bay Area. I'll be working there in an office, either on the administrative side, executive, or congressional side, working on a policy issue inside of an office. And that's what I'm really excited about. I will also be still running some of the projects I do here. And above all, I will be retaining my role as executive director for empowered aging. You on the service side will likely not see any changes. If anything, I think you'll see improvements with some of the systems we put in place. And I think we collectively will see improvements through the policy issues, the connections that I am able to make working in Washington, D.C. Now, as always, I can be reached really easily. You can email me at nicolehowell@empoweredaging.org if you have any questions. Maybe you just want to say hi, or you would want to learn more about what the fellowship will mean for the organization. I want to thank you for your continued support and engagement. The work we do is only possible through folks like you, and I look forward to sharing my adventures with you in Washington, D.C., and I look forward to being back here in the Bay Area after that so we can continue to impact change and support our seniors. Thank you so much, and I wish you a wonderful day.